How to set Speak Keyboard Input Aloud for capital letters on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Then in here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. After that, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now scroll down and then tap on Swipe, Touch, and Feedback. Then we go down and in here, tap on Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. And then we go down and in the capital letters, you can choose for it to do nothing, say capital, change pitch, or play sound. So select one of the available options and then tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.